have 15 minutes to get ready. Get ready with me. Formal night on the cruise. Just got back from the pool. This is my dress I'm going to wear. Do I know what it looks like? No, not on me anyway. I bought it from Revolve. I loved it. It's a Michael Costello dress. Hopefully it fits and hopefully it looks good. You're going to find out with me. I have no makeup on. I'm in a drugstore makeup era, so I'm going to take you with me and show you what I'm putting on. The countdown is on. Derma E moisturizer. I'm very faithful to the brands I use and the brands I like, and I've been using Derma E for probably almost 10 years. L'Oreal True Match. I started recording and it and it wasn't recording. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't put that on my forehead. I'm actually going to put a scarf on my head. It's a great time to scarf on your head. It looks great. It looks chic. It looks very tropical, but also you can cover up some dirty hair, whatever it may be. I just grabbed this concealer, NYX, is that how you say it? Before the cruise. Actually way too much. Fun fact, my daughter hates it when I wear makeup. She'll always say, "You have something on your face. I know you put makeup on, Mama." I like your skin with nothing on it. The dress is beautiful from what I can tell, but the wrinkles, major wrinklage. This is a real life get ready with me. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right this second.